It's a little trick that my neighbor showed me. Old 76-year-old man, still out every day cutting firewood, working hard at it at 76. Guy had some good tricks. Here's one he showed me. You see a lot of people ripping rounds into halves and quarters. That can be time consuming. Just all you gotta do is make a notch about halfway in, halfway down. This is a spruce, old growth spruce snag. If you know anything about spruce, you know how tough it is, especially the butt cuts. Twisty grain. Can be hard to split. Come on. Frozen. It's not wanting to cooperate. These butt rounds are just full of water too. Got her quartered. You can work your way around the round, you know, with an axe, split in smaller pieces, but my stove takes big wood, so I don't like small pieces. I like big pieces. So when you walk around with an axe working from the outside in, you just get small pieces and they burn up fast in my stove. That's how I like to do those big butt rounds. I'll video another one here. Probably go a little smoother. This was the very first round off the butt. Super twisty, tough grain.